Happy Mid-Autumn Festival! Mid-Autumn Festival is celebrated on the 15th of August in the lunar calendar. On this special Chinese holiday, it's in our tradition to gather with friends and family and eat mooncakes together. Mooncakes are rich, sweet, and meant to be shared. So today, we will be sharing a mooncake recipe with you guys so that you can enjoy it with your friends and family as well. To make the mooncakes, you will need a few simple ingredients: 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 70 grams of golden syrup or honey, 2 grams of baking soda water, which you can make with 1 part baking soda and 10 parts water, 25 grams of oil, a filling of your choice, which can be mashed dates, red bean paste, lotus paste, or anything that you like, some cornstarch, an egg, and 12 grams of water. Now we're ready to make our mooncakes. In a large mixing bowl, mix together golden syrup, baking soda water, and oil. Next, filter the flour into the previous mixture and knead until a slightly sticky dough is formed. Now wrap the bowl with saran wrap and let the dough chill in the fridge for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the dough should no longer stick to your hands. Now split the dough and the filling into equal parts. The ratio of dough to filling should be 3 to 7. Now flatten a ball of dough into a circular shape and add a ball of filling in the center. Gently wrap the filling with the dough and make sure the dough is sealed completely. Roll the dough in a plate of cornstarch and gently press it into the mooncake mold. The cornstarch helps prevent the dough from sticking to the mold. Carefully remove the dough from the mold and you're ready to bake it on a baking tray. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the mooncakes for 5 minutes. While the mooncakes are baking, let's make the egg wash. To make the egg wash, mix together 1 egg yolk, 1/4 of an egg white, and 12 grams of water. After baking the mooncakes for 5 minutes, take them out of the oven and brush on a layer of egg wash. This will give them a nice shiny outer layer. Now put the mooncakes back into the oven for another 15 minutes. Once you take them out of the oven, you will find that the color of the mooncakes are not as dark as the ones sold in stores, and the outer skin is pretty dry. I know it's hard to resist, but let the mooncakes rest for 2 days before eating, because that's when the taste and texture will reach its peak. And that's it! Isn't it simple? Now it's your turn to impress your friends and family by bringing homemade mooncakes to the party. Thank you for watching!
Hi everyone, we are CSSA in Beijing right now. We want to celebrate for all of you guys and we have the best wishes for you too. Happy Mid-Autumn Festival Day!